Well, hello again and welcome. I'm so glad that you're here with me today. I have something fun that I would like to do with you on this special Wisdom Wednesday. First of all, I just want to thank you for following and for paying attention to these little Wisdom Wednesdays that we put out. Thank you for listening and for watching. One thing too, before I get started, I would like to ask you a question. Is there something that you would like to see on this Wisdom Wednesday? Is there something about stained glass that you have always wondered about and you would like to ask us? I'm not saying we'll have all the answers, but we can look it up if we don't. And I just wanted to put that out there because that's why we do the videos, is for you to be able to be better artists. So allow us to do that for you and just mention it in the comments and we'll try to answer your questions. So today I would like to do a fun thing, and that is to give you a quiz. Don't worry, it's not hard, it's fun. And this quiz has to do with your creative genius. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to ask just 4 different questions, so it's not going to take long. And we're going to find out whether you are a craftsman, a creator, a curator, or a collector. Did I say collector twice? Well, no. Okay. And so these questions, it's just for fun, but it might help you to kind of know, well, why do I like art? What do I want to do with art? Why is it important to me? And these just might help a little bit. So let's start with this little quiz. Don't worry, it's not hard. Question number 1. Would you rather A, take a class, B, have a window built by a professional, C, watch YouTube videos and try it yourself, or D, visit galleries and art shows? So think about this a minute, and you might think, oh, but I like B and C. And that's okay. You can choose more than one, but just try to find the one that really grabs you the most, okay? Number 2, I want art that A, makes me feel inspired, B, I find on a trip, C, I create myself, or D, is valuable. So this is going to say a little bit about you, something you may not have known about yourself. So number 3, if I saw beautiful art in a gallery or a museum, I would A, dream about its history, where it came from, who made it. B, stand there and just take it in and admire it. C, say I can do that and go home and make one yourself. Or D, research the worth and value of the piece. All right, last one. How are you doing? This is number 4. If I could have an artist's wish, I would A, attend workshops and classes and lectures, go tour studios and just learn all I can. Just fill my brain with art. B, collect famous artwork for my home or for my office and just collect all these wonderful things that I love having around me, and it just makes me feel wonderful. Okay, C, create a masterpiece. That means that you put in your hours and you really try hard and you learn all you can so that you can make the best art possible for you. It could be just for yourself, or it could be to sell or to show. Or D, start my own gallery. Now that might be fun. I've thought about that in the past, to have a gallery to show other people's work and be able to work in that kind of an environment. So that's all there is to the test. So how'd you do? What I'd like you to do now is to add up all of the A's and the B's and the C's and the D's and see which one you have the most of. If you have more A's, then you are a student of art. You love to learn about all there is to know about the artist and everything about this. You love to take classes and you love to learn more, and it's just your passion. Or if you have more B's, you might be a collector. You might think, oh, I would love to have these pieces in my home. They would look so beautiful. And sometimes we'll do that and we'll trade for other pieces of other artists' work so that we can have art in our home too. Or C, a creator. If you think, I can do that, I think I can. And so you take a class and you learn how, and you build these beautiful works of art. Or D, a curator. This is someone who likes to collect the art into a gallery space or an online space and resell it, because you know that there's value in art. And so that's something that really interests you, that you will be maybe a collector for a while and then collect it to resell it later. So I wonder what you are. You're going to have to let me know so we can just kind of see out there how many collectors, how many curators, and we want we're interested in you. And like the question at the beginning of this video, we'd like to know what more we can do for you that will help you on your creative genius journey. So there will be a link to this little quiz if you'd like to take it at your leisure. And I love having you here, and we will say goodbye for now during this Wisdom Wednesday. Enjoy your day and go out and be creative.